Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make this cool X-ray effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. Start by importing your image. This is already a pretty cool image, so all we're gonna do is go to the Adjustments tab, Gradient Map, click on the gradient. We're gonna add a dark blue and then keep adding lighter blue tones. Something like this could work. Press OK. You can on top of that add a hue and saturation adjustment just to adjust the hue to a more tealish blue. Add a curves adjustment layer and we want to make that nice S curve. You can now add your text. And all you have to do now is just change the blending mode from normal to either difference or exclusion. This will basically make your text the opposite colors of your background image. So you can move it around. It is still fully editable, so you can write whatever you want. And it gives this really awesome X-ray negative effect. Once you're happy with your design, you can add a solid color, make it black, go to Filter, Noise, add noise, convert to Smart Object. We're going to add quite a bit, press OK, and change the blending mode from normal to either lighten or screen. This way, we have our grain set on a different layer, and you can still edit every single layer. That's it. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!